All right, sometimes I come here on Mondays, Tuesdays, before the Wednesday half off sales. They still have some tags that are 50%. You guys have seen inside this store 100 times. Those of you that are new, go back and watch some of my Salvation Army hauls. I already did some buying. I spent $23 or $24. Yeah, I had to spend more than I usually would, but I grabbed a couple half off tag items, so that was cool. And I got a couple items that I've never purchased before. I'll show you in the haul in just a few minutes later in the video. It's only Monday and we already have the cool purchase of the week. It's a mermaid tail. Check it out. Hold on. Let me pick it up. Look, mermaid tail. Mermaid tail. See it? So paid $2.50 for this one. Hopefully I can get like 15 or 20 out of it. Maybe a photographer prop, as long as Kate doesn't keep it. But anyways, cool purchase of the day. Week maybe. Rest of the haul. Show you later. This must be the elusive bathing ape. Look, the bathing ape, the Bape. What is the big deal about this stuff? Everybody goes crazy over it. I don't know, first one I've ever seen, so I picked it up for $2. $2. Bape. So I wanted to open this haul up by starting and letting you guys know, and I'll close the video by saying this as well. The Poshmark video I promised is going to be posted late tonight or early tomorrow. So you guys will see that. It is the Poshmark to eBay, or excuse me, eBay to Poshmark cross listing video and how to do it very quickly. You could take and list an item that's already on eBay and throw it up on Poshmark. A lot of you guys asked about this. The policy is against eBay policy, and I'm not condoning this in any way. What I am telling you is if you want to take an item that's already on eBay and not selling, and you want to end it on eBay, or you know it's been sitting and try to auction, try whatever, you just want to give it a shot on Poshmark and you want to take it down off eBay because it is against eBay policy. So make sure that you don't say Rockstar told you to do it. I didn't. I'm telling you right now, you cannot have an item for sale on eBay and cross-post it to another website, because if it sells to both platforms, you're going to have an angry customer, and eBay doesn't want their customer angry and you can't cancel orders, etc. So just keep that in mind. But if you do want to end it and put it over on the other one, or if you're the risk taker and you want to do that, it's totally on you. I'm not condoning it. I'm not encouraging it. I'm just telling you this is how you would take an item and list it from eBay, quickly put it over on Poshmark, and done without ever having to create a new listing. You're just gonna save photos, you're gonna copy and paste, and I'll show you in that video. It is coming. So with that said, let's move on to my haul today from the 2 stores I stopped in at. All right, on a random Monday, I hit 2 stores, just 2 stores, took 1 hour, really good haul today. The Salvation Army was the first store, and I'm gonna show you guys some of those items. I spent $25, ended up being the total. I'm gonna show you guys just how to turn 25 plus the 10 I spent at another store, so 35 into like $300. So first thing I found was this awesome Derrick Brooks. Those of you that don't know, he was a star defensive player for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. He helped them win a Super Bowl years ago, and his jerseys do pretty well, especially to Florida people. This was $5. This is probably about a $25 to $30 jersey, and sports jerseys just tend to sell. They won't sit too long unless you price them wrong. We're in Florida, summer, fishing season, fishing everything. This is Guy Harvey, which I've always gotten 15 for the button down, so why not? This one's got really good fish graphics on it. I'll be happy with 15. I paid $2 for this, or $2.99, so I paid $3 for this. So 45 gross there. A Cuba Bear that's at least 15. So, you know, 60 bucks. I paid $4 for this one. Got, this is not a brand that, you know, a ton of people really know. It's called Coco Island, but it's got some really great graphics, and I think this is $15. It says Mel's Diner, so that's $75. Tommy Bahama, that I think is a $20 silk shirt. This will put us at $95 gross sale. So paid $5 for the Tommy Bahama. Got this very cool mermaid tail that I think is $15. This will put us at $110. Check out the mermaid tail. Hey, let me see if I can. Yep, look at that. Mermaid all day, every day. Paid a couple bucks for this one. And then again, I spent 25 at this whole store. And then the winner, the elusive, I've never seen a bathing ape product in my life. Let me show you guys the tag. It is a bolo. It's been around for years. Look it up. Bathing ape, people call it Bape, and there it is. It is a regular shirt. It's not worth a ton, but this should probably fetch $20, $25. So that puts us around like $130 for the whole store there. But what the really good finds were of today were 2 pair of shoes. I've really opened my eyes up to this stuff. This is the Florsheim, or Florsheim, whatever people call them, dress shoes for men. And I'll show you guys, if I can, inside the shoe. There's the name of it. You can look it up. I'll show you also on the bottom of the shoe. It's Florscheim. They're very expensive shoes, and even a used pair of basic wingtip black, you probably get, I'm gonna try to get 60 out of these. I'll be happy with like 45 or 50, so I don't think that's a problem. Put us up to like 160, maybe 170 on this haul so far. And then these are the winners for today, $5. You guys know what these are called. They're Doc Martens. Let me let it zoom in for you guys. Excuse the lighting. I'm using a lot of natural lighting right now. I don't have my lights. But Doc Martens, these are men's size, I think 11s. Can't remember the size, hang on. Oh, size 9, sorry, size 9. So not a bad size. Men, most average men wear between like a 9, 10 up to 11. I have a 12, size 12 foot. Taller guys usually get to be like, you know, 11 and a half, 12 and a half, stuff like that. So they're a pretty good size. They're in really good shape. They're really dressy. Doc Martens like these are the easy 50, maybe 60 or 70. I looked them up. These are air cushion soles, so they're worth more money. Good size, excellent condition. I really would like to get 60 or 70 out of these, which would put us up to like a $230, $240 haul. Not quite 300, but pretty good for only spending $25 and $35 on the whole thing. Really happy with that. You know, should be able to net at least 100 and a quarter to 150. If I can net 30, 40 bucks a piece out of these, I've already paid and profited, and everything else goes in inventory. So it's a quick little haul, even on an off day, a non-half off day, just, you know, shooting around on my trip, just on a couple stores and coming back to handle stuff that you can make $100, $150. So people that are aiming, you know, with these small goals of trying to just make $1,000 bucks or $1,500 or $2,000, you can easily do it on just a few items a day. You go out sourcing 2, 3, 4 times a week, you know, 2 or 3 stores, couple hours a day. You know, 10 hours a week, maybe 2 hours a day, 5 days a week, 2 hours, 3 hours a day, 4 days a week, 12 hours. You could certainly pick up enough good merchandise at stores, even on non-sale days, to make some pretty good money. Last update, the Poshmark video will be up late tonight or tomorrow. I have it, I'm ready for you guys. I apologize, but I wanted to make sure it was right, and I wanted to make sure it was edited correctly because it was coming from several different platforms. So I wanted to take care of that, and you guys will get that a little bit later. So those of you that were asking, it is coming, and I did hear you. All right, so thanks for watching, appreciate it. Check out the description box. As always, there are all the links to everything that I use. If you need a scale, if you need a light kit. The light kit, those of you guys not using light kits, it will change your life. The light kit down below is $61, I believe, or $62, shipped from Amazon. You will not find it brand new on eBay for cheaper. It is a set of 2 24-inch by 24-inch 700-watt Limo Studio soft box light boxes. They are not umbrellas. I hate the umbrellas. Most people do. These are much better lights. I use them for YouTube. I'm not using them right now. We use them for our photos. Go to my store, Treasure Chest, Florida. It's linked down below as well, and you'll see how our photos turn out. We do have some old ones, ignore those, but all of the other photos that look amazing with the white backgrounds, they are taken with those photo lights, as well as the white background that I linked also down below. So that will set you up for less than 70 or 75 bucks. You can have an entire background and light set up to take amazing photos. It will change your eBay life. So make sure you check out the description box, as well as all of my other helpful links from Scribe, my eBay store, and the Facebook group, both Facebook groups, the large, almost 70,000 member group, and our VIP group that's on special as always. If you want to join that, please message me directly, or rockstarflipper@gmail.com. And until next time, I'll see you guys then.